Hello again, everybody, and here's my other review of the Transformers animated Ratchet. And his colors are red, white, and yellow for his front lights, and blue for his window shield, and that's it. He can roll pretty good. The wheels actually works, yes. Now, to transform him, what you want to do is first you wiggle the part from his legs, lean that down right here, and then you pull out his legs here and pull like this, make these straight, and then you unfold his feet. Just push them out like that, and do the same side here. And then you close these panels right here, like that. Do the other side here, and then you raise this piece up, and then you pull out his hands out like that. Pull them down, lay them down. Do the same side here. And then turn his hands around. And then you push his chest down to lock it to here. So that pull, and then you pull this the top of the car here like that, and just push down his back, and his head pops out. Alright, and here you have Ratchet in his robot form. Pretty good figure, and probably this is one of my best figures I have. I used to do a lot with them, and his head can rotate around. And his arms can move around, can bend the elbow, and move and side to side here a little bit. And his legs can move back and forth and bend his knee too. And he has another thing of his arms. On the Transformers anime show, his magnets that he grabs metal stuff on the show here, and you see, you open up his hands, and then these little pieces right here are his magnets that he grabs metals with. And what you do is you bend his arm, and they flips out, and see, and do the same side here, and there are his magnets. Yes. And he does have a couple things that came with him. One of his tools. Let me get those real quick. Hang on. Just forgot about those. I have them in here somewhere. Got stuff in here. Where did I put those? Not in there either. Well, I don't remember where they are, but only couple I know what he has is he has like a hammer, a wrench, and I think a screw too, and I don't remember what's the other thing is, and that's what he has with them, but less I probably don't do a lot with those things, so I care less about those. But now, here you have Transformers animated Ratchet. Next, I'll be doing Bulkhead, and I'll see you later.